So guys, now at town hall. And this is probably around part 4 or part 5, I think. Well, guys, now we're at town hall. We're going to get down at Central soon anyways. Watch. Because we're gonna watch this video because we're gonna anyways go sideways. Right now my screen angle is sideways because I want you guys to see the station moving. Well, that would be cool. So, yep. Brakes on. I don't like this bit, dude. But I'm gonna show it again. Well, what station is next?
Next stop, Central.
Yup, it's Central. Well, Central is coming, guys. We need to get out of this train because we need to figure out which train we're gonna take after Central. I know you guys can only see bricks and all these stuff, but just
After you from this is the Hornsby via Strathfield service. Next stop is Central, followed by Redfern. Please change to Central for airport, light rail, city and state, and all other suburban light services. Next stop Central.
This train will stop at Central.
well, guys, we're about to get down at Central. So this vlog is okay. That can just film this train going away. That can just film this train moving away. So guys, I'm gonna film that train right now. So guys, right now the doors is about to close of this train. Well, I'm gonna film. I feel, guys, like and subscribe in 3, 2, 1. Then I'm gonna film. 3, 2, 1. Tap that button, and now I'm gonna film this train moving away. Hopefully. That wait. So I'm going towards the end. So I'm going towards the middle point of the train right now, guys. And here's a good place to film, I think. Probably around here. Yup. Good idea.
Please keep a firm hold of your children while on the platform and before in the train.
So guys, right this vlog, I'm gonna film the train.
Please remain behind the yellow line at all times and allow others to get off before boarding.
Now we can go.
The train on platform 18 goes to Hornsey via Stratfield. First stop Redfern, then Lowood, Stratfield, then all stations to Epping, and then all stations to Hornsey. The next train to arrive on platform 18 goes to Richmond via Parramatta. First stop Redfern, then Stratfield, Lidcombe, Auburn, Granville, Parramatta, then all stations to Blacktown, and then all stations to Richmond.
Smoking is not allowed at this station or on trains. Fines apply. Thank you.
What people need to work. I wish six. Here people working. They don't like to work.
So guys, you need to look for the screens that show that. What is that thing that shows? You see a train station and those things. You just don't find it. Well, that's already here. So in this vlog, anyway, they must have a map or something somewhere in this place, or else vloggers or else people will not know where to go. They must improve on making Well, let's see what's down there actually. Well, we might find what you're looking for. What are those birds singing? Oh. not what we're looking for. Nope. We need to get up again. Like just go like me. Well, so we're in the wrong place, guys, right now. So we just need to get up again. I'm not going to waterfall or